How much should you really spend on a glucose meter? Cheap ones seem fine, but then you're not sure if the numbers are right. Expensive ones promise accuracy, but do they actually deliver? The truth is, price doesn't always mean better results, and picking the wrong one can mess with your health. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually works. Product number 1, Lingo CGM. First up, the Lingo Continuous Glucose Monitor by Abbott. This isn't your typical finger prick meter. It's a wearable biosensor that tracks your glucose 24/7 for up to 14 days. At $120.51 for a pack of 2 sensors, it's definitely on the pricier side. But if you want real-time feedback on how food, sleep, and exercise affect your glucose, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Instead of guessing how a meal impacts your levels, you'll see minute-by-minute changes directly in the app. It uses Bluetooth to stream data continuously, so there's no manual logging. The filament sits just under the skin on your arm, no charging, no daily hassle. And since it's made by Abbott, the same company behind Freestyle Libre used by millions, you're getting tech with real-world validation. Now some people might be turned off by the fact that it's only available in the US and requires consistent phone connectivity. Also, while it's HSA/FSA eligible, you still need to replace sensors every 2 weeks, which adds up over time. But if you're serious about understanding your metabolic health beyond just diabetes management, the insight is unmatched. This is perfect for you if you want detailed, long-term glucose trends without daily finger sticks. Skip this one if you only need occasional checks or live outside the US. For the data-driven user, it's a solid investment. Just factor in the ongoing sensor cost. Product number 2, Optium Glucometer. Next is the Optium Glucometer by Freestyle, priced at $107.85 and comes with 100 test strips. What caught my eye here is the brand reputation. Freestyle is known for reliable meters, and this one promises accuracy with ergonomic design. It includes lancets and a lancing device, so you're not scrambling for extras. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of meters that feel clunky or give inconsistent readings, this one focuses on ease of use and precision. It uses alkaline batteries, which are easy to replace, and the handling is designed for comfort, important if you test multiple times a day. While we don't have user ratings yet, Freestyle's track record with diabetic care gives it credibility. Now the downside. At over $100, it's expensive for a traditional meter, especially when you consider ongoing strip costs. And honestly, it doesn't offer advanced features like Bluetooth or memory storage beyond basic tracking. Some users might expect more tech at this price. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable, no-frills meter from a trusted brand and don't mind paying up front for quality. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or want smart features. It's a solid middle ground option, reliable but not revolutionary. Product number 4, Essentia Contour Next Control Solution. Alright, that was a solid meter. But the next one on my list is different. It's not a meter at all, but a control solution. The Essentia Contour Next at $13.95 is for verifying your meter's accuracy. Sounds simple, but this is something most people ignore until their readings feel off. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Even the best meter can drift over time. This solution lets you test if your device and strips are working correctly, especially important when starting a new bottle or seeing weird results. It's easy, just add a drop to the strip and run a test. Now the downside, it only works with Contour Next strips, so it's not universal. And honestly, many users forget to use it regularly, which defeats the purpose. But skipping calibration checks is risky. This small step can prevent big health mistakes. This is perfect for you if you use Contour Next products and want peace of mind. Skip this one if you use a different brand. It's cheap insurance for accuracy. Product number 5, Eye Health Control Solution. Finally, the Eye Health Control Solution at $17.75, similar to Essentia but made specifically for Eye Health BG5S100 and Acacia AG607 meters. It comes in a 4 ml vial, which lasts longer than some competitors and ensures your readings stay on track. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you own an eye health meter, this is your go-to for verifying accuracy. It's simple shake, drop, test, and helps maintain trust in your device. Now the flaw, it's only compatible with iHealth models, so no cross-brand use. Also, you must use it within 3 months of opening, which might be tight for light users, but for dedicated iHealth owners, it's essential maintenance. This is perfect for you if you rely on iHealth meters and want consistent, reliable results. Skip this one if you use another brand. It's a small cost for big confidence in your readings. So which glucose meter is best? The Lingo CGM is ideal for real-time tracking, the Optium offers trusted accuracy, the McKesson gives fast results on a budget, and both control solutions, Essentia and iHealth, are must-haves for verifying your device. Your choice depends on your needs, continuous monitoring, affordability, or peace of mind. Pick smart, test regularly, and stay healthy.